Do you want to do one more move? Because one more move, it will be totally different. It's inside the photo. Why? It looks exactly the same. I cannot explain.
My God.
Can you guess what's inside this bag? No?
Money.
Nope. The answer is behind this card. Can you guess? It's actually come with the package when I buy it. It's actually a souvenir card. It's Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
You know Rubik's Cube?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So inside it's actually a real Rubik's Cube. Okay? Could you hold this? Now mix it up. You can check it, examine, make sure it's normal. I actually have a second one here. This one is very important because I will place it here and cover it so you cannot see. Okay? Now this one, I want you to mix it up. Give it to Brian and mix it up. Yes, and then give it to Doris. This time, mix up behind your back. Mix it, yeah. Every time you mix it, it's a new combination. And anytime you want, you stop.
Okay, I stop now.
Do you want to do one more move? Because one more move, it will be totally different. The outcome, you decide.
Okay,
One more?
Yeah.
You did it already?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, place it on your palm like this and don't move, like this, take it out. Oh, this is perfect. You know why? This is a pattern you mix. And this one I never touched, right? If you compare the two, look, it's exactly the same. But the second side you decide to mix it like this. Look, it's also the same. Same, completely every sign exactly the same. How can you do that? Wow. But one thing I cannot explain, you decided to mix it like this. Why it looks exactly the same as the one inside the photo. Can you see?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly the same.
Yes.
Now, can I have your hand, both hands like this? So, this one is very nice card, so I want to give it to you as a souvenir. And maybe the other hand on top like that. Yes. Now, this one is the one you mix, right? Remember you decided to do that one move, right? And you really mix it up.
Yeah.
Don't blink. You know the world record of solving a cube? It's around 3 seconds or 4 seconds. I'm going to break the world record. Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
But wait, this one I can explain because I practice. I'm a magician.
Yeah.
But this one, I cannot explain.
Oh my God.
Turn it over. It's inside the photo. Show the camera. And you can touch it. So this is a souvenir for Doris.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Cool.
I agree.